I just recently bought a Walther PPX caliber 40. However, I learned that the trigger pack is not working, so I purchased a Walther PPX 9mm as the base platform is interchangeable, and I can shoot actually 9mm and caliber 40 on both base platforms by interchanging the slides. That this is actually working out, I will show you in the following video. After removing the magazines and clearing the gun, I'm starting to handle the firearm now. I am aware that to handle a firearm with one hand is not recommended. However, I did have to do it in this case to shoot this video. After the slide is locked up by the slide stop lever, we bring now the takedown lever in position to remove the slide. In this case, using just one hand, I just simply open up the slide stop lever and let the slide glide out of the firearm. We repeat this motion now. We just did on the 9mm, also on the caliber 40, and then just interchange both base frames with the other slides. After done so, we just complete the assembly, and now we have the 9mm base frame on the 40 slide, and I'm ready to insert the magazine with the caliber 40 rounds. I hope you enjoyed this little video tutorial and you learned more about the Walther PPX 9mm and caliber 40 platform, and I can see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. I will come up with more content for you.